KOTAMU gifted me this at-home hard wax kit, and I have been growing out my leg hair just so I can put this to the test for you. But first off, I want to show you what's in this box. The first thing you'll see is a variety of different colored wax pellets. You have hard wax for your face and eyebrows, underarms and chin, bikini and Brazilian, arms and legs, chest and back, and there is even a patented full body wax that's specifically meant to target both the thick and the fine hairs. You get a variety of applicators. You get a bunch of single-use applicators that come in little tiny size. This is really nice for eyebrows, chin, anywhere where you need detail work. Medium, large, and then you get two reusable silicone ones that actually are a little bendy on the ends. Really nice. And then you have your pre-wax spray and your post-wax spray, a nice big stack of the waxing paper, and then of course the pot that will heat up the wax for you. It has heat control on the front, and that's all you do is plug it in and choose your temp. On the top, it has a plastic lid, and then it has this silicone section. This is where you'll be putting your wax, and I really like that it's silicone, as that will be much easier to clean. The wax can harden in it, and then you can just pop it right out. So this is really cool. And then the rest of it is standard. This is just your heat plate. That's what this is doing, is heating up the wax in this silicone bowl. And then you get a quick and full user guide, and I love that it says wax like a pro, as I am a definite beginner. While I have been professionally waxed, I have never done waxing at home. So this kit is designed for beginners to advanced waxers, and I can't wait to put it to the test. Let's go. Now, I decided to start with my legs. That's what I grew out. And once they were ready, all I needed to do was turn on the heat. I know you couldn't see that, but it does actually show the temperature gauge. And I set it to 150, added in the wax for my legs, sprayed down my legs with the pre-waxing spray, and waited until it was fully melted. Here it is ready to go. So now it's just time to put it on. Again, this is the first time I have ever waxed at home. I wasn't exactly sure how to do it, but I just spread it on down, going with the length of my hairs, the direction of my hairs. I probably should have just gone one time, but I added more and it worked just fine. I added that all. I waited about 30 seconds. I really just waited until it wasn't sticky, pulled it right off. That worked beautifully. It took off all the hair so fast. So of course I kept going. I would tell you that this is a bit addicting. Each time I pulled, I felt like it was gonna hurt, but every time it was so quick and basically painless, and my skin was so smooth on the other side. And then once it was all done, I let it sit and cool, and this is what you get. This is the unused wax, ready for next time.